by doing this and working on it like this, working on this right hand with your metronome and counting, you're going to find if you've never been able to play with others, you're going to be able to do that soon. So be encouraged. If you've never been able to play with the song while you're listening to it, you're going to be able to do that soon. It's all about the rhythm and the right hand. I want to help you play this song, but let's face it, the chords that you need to play, you probably already got those. You probably can already play those chords. And if you can't play those chords, you can find them all over the internet, you know, in all the charts and everything. That's not going to be most people's difficulty with a song like this. If you've been trying to play this song for a week or a month or months or years and you're still finding it difficult, it's probably this. So let's talk about it. I want to help you get over that, and if I can help you with this song, you're going to be able to play so many other songs just by really strengthening your right hand. Let's just get right to the point. How much time in your life have you spent working on the 16th note strum and different feels of the 16th note strum? The feel for this song is 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E. Now I'm playing the song in my mind as I do that, so I'm hearing this. As I do the strum, and that's how you want to practice it, and you want to count it: 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E. The words I'm saying there are 1E and That's dividing a beat into 4 parts. And I almost said equal parts, but you know, different songs have different feels, and so you want to be able to do this with a straight time, you know, really solid, just straight feel like this: 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. Now that's not the song, but you want to be able to do that, and you want to spend a lot of time doing that. If you haven't spent hours, at least hours, doing that correctly, then it's not natural yet, and you want to make it natural by just practicing it every day, and turn on your metronome and practice the 16th note strum. You can use muted strings: 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. And then the different feels that you're going to need for different songs like this one, you'll be able to get into it a whole lot more easy, okay, after you practice that a lot, I promise. So let me help you. Let me help you work on your right hand if you want to play some of this stuff, especially this guy, because he's got tremendously cool rhythm. I'll do it a little bit with you now as we kind of fade out of this video. I'm just going to start slowly. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E, 2E and a 3E and a 4E. Kind of speeding it up just a little bit. We're still not approaching the speed of the song. It's a lot faster than this. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E. What a cool rhythm. I can feel the strings right here on my hand. I keep my hand on the strings a lot while I'm strumming. Remember that you can slow this video down, and if you wanted to learn the whole song, hey, you know, I'm sorry, I'm not going to go into that today. I just wanted to help you with what I feel like you probably really need. Some of you really needed to work on your right hand, and this is what you needed to hear. And this video is just for you. Alright, take a lesson, one-on-one, virtual lesson with one of our teachers. We teach piano, drums, guitar, ukulele, voice, and so much more. You can give us a call, click the links in the description to support us. We really need your support, especially right now, in the time that we're in right now. We really need your support. So click the links and you could get a shirt or make a donation or take a one-on-one lesson with us. I love you. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you so much.